गोंयकारांनी विधानसभा वेंचणुकेत बीजेपीच्या आमदार मंत्र्यांक घरा बसोवन बीजेपीक अल्पमतांत हाडली. ही गजाल मतींत धरून मोपा विमानतळ प्रकल्प रद्द करचो म्हूण गोवन्स फॉर दाबोळी ओन्लीचो संयोजक फादर एरमित रिबेलोन मागला. गोंयकारांनी न्हयकारून लेगीत बीजेपीन सरकार घडयले ही शॉकात करपी गजाल म्हूण फादर रिबेलोन टिका केल्या. गोंयकारपण राखचे असल्यार मोपा विमानतळ रद्द करचो म्हूण ताणें सरकाराकडेन मागला.
2017 या इलेक्शनांत लोकांन जो आदले सरकारान डेव्हलपमेंट केला तो भायर मारला. देखून तांकां जे मिनिस्टर असले 6 जाण गेल्ले गव्हर्मेंटान आनी सीएम असलो तांकां लोकांन भायर मारले. हाचेर दाखयले की पीपल डोंट वॉन्ट द डेव्हलपमेंट which BJP was doing. And कसलो हो डेव्हलपमेंट? हो डेव्हलपमेंट तांचो जावन आसा मोपा सेंट्रीक डेव्हलपमेंट. तांणी ट्युरिझम मॉडेल काडलो, तांणी अमेंडमेंट टू टेनन्सी एक्ट काडलो, तांणी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्ड हे सगलो फकत मोपाशी पावयता. तर आमच्या लोकांक क्लियर दाखयला की गोंयकारांक हो डेव्हलपमेंट मोपा सेंट्रीक डेव्हलपमेंट आनी मोपा नाका. MLAs असले उकी रावले गेल्ले 5 वर्सां बीजेपी बरोबर रावले आनी एअरपोर्टाचेर प्रश्नाचेर जाप काडूंक ना. तांकांय आवेदन फुटता. मिकी पाशेको, बेंजामिन द सिल्वा, गायकू द सिल्वा, राजन नायक हांकांय लोकांक भायर उडयले. जून टेनंट्स मदीं बरे आसात. सुबेज, प्रियो, पोंडा, सांगे हांकांय लोकांक भायर उडयले. परतून पेडणे या पेडणे सीएम आनी आर्लेकार एनवायरमेंट फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टर जे बोब मारताले मोपा जाय मोपा हे आठवडो ते आठवडो तांकांय भायर उडयले. लोकांक गोंयकारांची एक आशा असली, एक एस्पिरेशन असले आनी ते एस्पिरेशन ह्या सरकारान पिड्यार केले. देखून एक नवो सरकार गोंयचे परचेक जाय आसलो जो गोंय आनी गोंयकारांक राखतलो, सांबाळटलो. पूण जरूय लोकांक आपणाचो जे वोटिंगा वरवीं दाखयले तरूय आसतना इट इज अ ट्रेजेडी. लोकांचो वील असताना लोकांचे कुशेर आड जे सरकाराक ऑपोजिशनान बसून निवडून काडलो आनी न्हय रुलिंगांत तोच आपूण राज्य चलयता. हे दुर्दैव की लोक गोंयचो फावरार ना. मोपा सेंट्रीक डेव्हलपमेंट नाका. देखून आमी गोवन्स फॉर दाबोळी ओन्ली एक MLA पुलो मागता. रिस्पेक्ट दिस बॉडी अँड स्क्रॅप मोपा.
महाराष्ट्र आनी देशाच्या हेर सुवातांनी दोतोरांक मारबडय करपाच्या प्रकाराचो गोंयच्या दोतोरांनी निशेध केलो. मारबडय केल्ल्यान महाराष्ट्राचे दोतोर संपार आसात. तांचेर सरकारान केल्ल्या कारवायेचो गोवा असोसिएशन ऑफ रेजिडेंट दोतोरांनी खर उतरांनी निशेध केला. गोंयांतूय अशें जाताले, मात गोंय सरकारान CCTV लायिल्ले आनी पुलीस दवरिल्ले. अशे उपाय हेर राज्यांनी करचे म्हण तांची मागणी.
All residents of Goa Medical College, interns, students all have gathered here to protest and to condemn whatever has happened against the doctors in Maharashtra. You must be knowing from the last previous incidences that have taken place, there are multiple attacks by the relatives or the patients on the doctors, the violence that has taken place against the doctors. And when they went on a protest, the response that they got from the government as well as from the higher authorities is to be condemned. We strongly support in whatever the residents of Maharashtra have done for their safety and for the well-being. As you must know, some few months back, a similar incident had taken place in Goa Medical College. A doctor from pediatrics department was slapped by a relative. And that time, all the resident doctors of Goa had gone on a strike. They had given a notice to the government. and we were happy that at that time the government took prompt action and they did all the necessary demands. They fulfilled all the necessary demands that we had put forward. They have put a multiple CCTV cameras to see all the action that takes place in Goa Medical College to curb down all the violence. They have also improved the security to some extent by using some extra personnel, putting in the critical areas. They have done a few more steps. They have put a multiple posters in the Goa Medical College which show that any violence against doctors is to be condemned, and there is strict action that will be taken to any person who does violence against the doctors. We are very also happy to say the government has been along with us. The Goa government has been along with us in whatever demands we have put and in the well-being of the doctors and the functioning of the GMC. Recent past we have heard that the government has said they will be implementing more military personnel that has been promised by our Honorable Chief Minister on the floor of the House. He has said that they will be increasing the military personnel and the security in Goa Medical College, which is very applaudable, and we look forward towards our government to get this prompt action into all his adverts into prompt action, and we look forward for this.
गोंयांत सध्या घुमचे गटर घुम आणि ओसय ओसयचोच आवाज. काणकोणा शिगम्यात वेगवेगळ्या पथकांचे रोमटामेळ आणि पारंपारीक खेळ जाले. पळोवया काणकोणचो शिगमो. हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.